Hi everyone. So this demonstration is going to be on how to do tabletop knee liftoffs. This is for shin musculature, your tibialis anterior, and as well as some of the other musculature in your feet. So you're going to get down into a tabletop position, right? Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. You want to have your hips nice and parallel. So what you're going to do is you're going to tuck the feet a little bit so that you're not fully extended. You're ever so slightly engaging those muscles. And then what you're going to do is maintain that slight arch in your low back, weight onto the hands, and lift your knees off. And then back down. All right? And make sure you're driving with your feet into the ground and then down. You don't have to hold this for very long. You want to just engage and then down. So you really feel some work happening in the front of your shin. And then down. If you find that, oh hey, that's not too difficult, you can go ahead and just hold that, right? For time and working. If you want to, you can even do some flexion here. Well, yeah. And work on trying to get those muscles engaged and really feeling that here through the foot. The thing to avoid is to really get that toe point, because then when you lift here, you're stretched in this position so much that the muscles can't engage. So that's why you want to get a little bit of a tuck and then just lift and then down. And if you really want to try and push it, you can go for one leg at a time and just kind of do curls off. The hard thing for that is it's going to get really tiring on your arms. So there's just some ways to play around with that. Fire up the front of your shin and work on your ankle range. Have fun with that.